Qiscus Omnichannel has implemented an add-on that allows you to receive and reply directly to every customer's chat in Microsoft Teams via Qiscus Omnichannel dashboard. There are a few steps you have to do to integrate your MS account. First step is request Microsoft Teams add-on from App Center. First, open the App Center menu and navigate to the Explore section. Then search for Microsoft Teams add-on and click the Contact Us button to activate the add-on. After the request form appears, fill in the required data and then click the Submit button. After the process is done, the Microsoft Teams add-on will be visible on the My Apps page with the status requested. The Qiscus team will contact you for the next part of process. And after all the process have passed, the Qiscus team will activate the add-on and users will see that their status in My Apps will be changed to installed. Click the Settings button to go to Settings page and you will be able to set the configuration to use the add-on. The second step is create app registration on Azure Portal. Log in or register Azure Portal and then create new app registrations. Fill in the information and go to FTP pages. Take note on the application ID, object ID, and directory ID. If you cannot find this page, just search for App Registration menu on the search bar and choose your application. Go to Certificates and Secrets, create new one, and take note to the value. The next step is create an account on Qiscus App Center. Click Add New Account and fill the form with data such as client ID, that is your application ID from the previous step, and the secret key, that is your secret key generated from the previous step. After success creating, you will get the message endpoint and you can go back to bot framework setting and set the message endpoint. The last step is create bot using Microsoft Bot Framework. To create a new bot, you can follow the link and fill out all forms provided. In the configuration section, you can enter the messaging endpoints that are used for your bot webhook URL. Fill this field using our message endpoint from Qiscus App Center and paste your Microsoft application ID. Create the bot and add Microsoft Teams channel to connect bot to Microsoft Teams. After all the configuration is done, you can start to try your bot on MS Teams. First, make sure you have installed MS Teams on your device, then make sure again that your account is work or school account. Click Microsoft Teams on your bot channels list on the bot framework page. You will be redirected immediately to the bot room chat. All the messages you send to your bot will appear on Qiscus Omnichannel dashboard.